In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unpublish your Odoo site. If you want to temporarily take your website offline so visitors can no longer access the published version, Odoo makes this very quick and straightforward. This is especially useful if you're making updates, fixing content, or preparing the site before making it public again. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to click and how to confirm that your site has been unpublished successfully. To begin, open Odoo and go to the website app. This is the area where you manage your site's pages, content, and visibility settings. Once you click into the website app, Odoo will take you directly to your website dashboard or site view where you can access the main publishing controls. After you're inside the website area, look toward the top right corner of the screen. There you'll see a published switch. This switch controls whether your website is currently live and visible to visitors. When the site is published, the switch will appear active, making it easy to tell that the website is currently online. Next, click the Published switch to toggle it off. This action changes the status of your website from published to unpublished. It's a simple one-click change, but it has an important effect. Your website will no longer be publicly available while it is turned off. This can be helpful when you need to make edits privately without showing unfinished changes to your audience. To confirm that the site has been unpublished, check the color of the switch. You'll know it worked if the switch changes from green to gray. That color change is your visual confirmation that the website is no longer published. And that's all there is to it. To unpublish your Odoo site, you just open the website app. Find the Publish switch in the top right corner, click it to turn it off, and confirm the switch changes from green to gray. If you ever want to make the site live again later, you can return to the same place and switch it back on. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you manage your Odoo website more confidently.